delighted to be here, Alan, for an international match of this calibre.
Yeah, it's got a special feel to it, hasn't it? Even just walking into the stadium, the crowd are really up for it, and I'm sure the players will be, because they are world-class talents, these boys, and I'd be disappointed if we didn't get some excitement.
And this match today is France against Argentina. It's an international fixture here, Alan. That'll bring back memories for you and your England career.
Well, it is a proud moment. You stand there, you sing along to the national anthem, and you just want to do yourself justice representing your country.
A lot of interest in how France would line up today. Here it is. Hugo Lloris starts in goal. Samuel Umtiti plays with Raphael Varane in central defence. Olivier Giroud is the main striker. Nice to be back here, Alan. We spent quite a lot of time during the European Championships in 2016 in the Parc des Princes, and it's got lovely facilities for we broadcasters.
Yeah, definitely. Gives us a good view, and it always brings back memories of when I played here, going right back to 1994, semi-final of the Cup Winners' Cup. Then we lost here, actually, in the final of that competition the year after. Naeem from the halfway line.
Starting 11 now for Argentina. Willy Caballero starts in goal. Marcos Rojo starts alongside Nicolas Otamendi at the back. Ever Banega plays with Enzo Perez in midfield. Lionel Messi is the main striker today. France have started this first half. Olivier Giroud. Matuidi. That'll be a throw for France. Matuidi. Really strong tackle, and the ball's gone out for a throw. Lucas Hernandez. Opportunity in a wider area. Looking a problem until the clearance was made. And it's Pogba. Nice interplay between the two of them. Griezmann! Willy Caballero, the goalkeeper. We'll be hoping for an easy game with that kind of save on a regular basis. Simple. Ever Banega. My first World Cup, Alan. Lovely ball. Bit of space for him. Now out on the wing. Put into the middle. Not really away from the threat here. France have been given the corner. Put the corner in the middle. Varane! We can put them in front. Well, there's a goal that's been on the cards. The better team at this stage of the match. And you wonder whether they would make that domination count. Well, they've done with this goal. Thoroughly deserved. They lead. That is textbook from him.
They've scored plenty of set pieces this season, and that one was right up there.
Well, it's a goal worth replaying over and over again, isn't it? That's good for France. They've got this lead. Perez. Well, this could be dangerous in a wide position. Going forward well. A lot of defenders between them and the goal, but they still got the ball. And shoots! And that's deflected behind. It will be a corner. Decided that this time they're going to play the short corner. Can he pick somebody out with this pullback? Griezmann. And they've got a man out wide. Giroud. That'll be a corner for France. And here's the replay again.
Well, it's one of those where he was on his toes, he wasn't found wanting when it cannoned back off the woodwork. Good goal.
Taken by Griezmann. Good defensive clearance there. Matuidi. It's whipped in towards Antoine Griezmann. It was a good-looking cross, but in the end it didn't turn out. And now the shot! It's a drive of some power, but off target.
Yeah, unlucky. Didn't quite get set for that one.
Nicolas Otamendi. Couldn't keep it. Lucas Hernandez. And France working the ball cleverly into a really promising position. France get the throw. Matuidi. Read that well with the interception. Well, the team with the ball have got a problem now because the opposition are just sitting behind the ball and letting them pass in front. They've got to find some attacking players with some penetration in their passes. To level it up now, and it flew in off the crossbar. And the goal looks spectacular and is very important.
Yeah, there was some power behind that effort. I think the crossbar's still shaking.
Different angle on it here. So away we go at 1-1. Pogba. Rafael Varane. Nicolas Otamendi. Mercado. And it's going to be a minimum of 3 minutes to be played of added time. Angel Di Maria. So we're halfway through what has been an interesting match, certainly intriguing, this international friendly. I think that's a good performance, isn't it, Alan, from him in the first half?
Yeah, he stepped up to the mark in that first half, just when his team needed him, just when they were searching for an equaliser. Interesting to see how the second half pans out now.
Really heavy clouds here, no sign of a break in the weather, and certainly no sign of a break in the rain. Nicolas Otamendi. trying to find an opening, not panicking. Messi. Pogba. Griezmann. Getting the ball back and thinking attack straight away. Looked so promising at the beginning, but came to naught. Eva Banega. And now Messi. And the referee points for a goal kick. Here's Conte. Well, there's one for him to chase in behind. Interception here. One or two players are warming up for the home team. We'll see who comes on. Oh, he's cut that out well read. Giroud. On the move and able to cut out the pass. Mercado. Well, we're two-thirds of the way through the 90 minutes, half an hour to go. Bit predictable with the passing and the opposition able to deal with that. Well, here comes the support. Angel Di Maria. In with a chance. Well, it was a bit desperate, but what a good challenge. Rafael Varane. Well, that breakaway did look dangerous. This is well, they've won the ball back. Substitution, and it's going to be France who are going to make it. Rafael Varane. Opening them up with a through pass. What we get to see, of course, the assistants don't. Whether that'll change down the years, I'm not sure, but anyway, the replay here shows he's got it right.
He has. I mean, there was no real goal-scoring chance, but the defence would be pleased that their organisation caught him off.
Rojo. Eva Banega. They're going to have to restart with a throw. Pogba. Mbappe. Griezmann. Shots on here. It's another good effort. The team really battling to take the lead. At the moment, it's still all square. Mercado. Room now out on the wing. Well, he's got the ball there in the defensive zone by reading the play very well. Chance to go at the opposition with pace. That's an inspired interception at a really crucial moment. That might just decide the match. Mercado. We've got 10 minutes left on the clock. Well defended, not just getting across, he thought quickly as well. Enzo Perez. France get the throw. Rafael Varane. Samuel Umtiti. Well, that's over the top of the defender and one to chase. Guiding it through the defenders. Home team ready to make a change. Trying a bit too hard, trying to force the pass, and it went straight to an opponent. Angel Di Maria. Bit of space to go forward into with the ball. Acuna. Lamar. Oh, he spotted the pass and cut it out with the scores level. Extra time coming up now, and off we go into the extra period. And here's the shot. Acuna. Really in the clear now, in on goal. Messi! And Messi scores!
Well, there aren't many people on this planet that can do what he's just done.
It was almost as if they drew them onto them so that there was space to break into, and how well they used that space.
And that scorer, he's just got too much pace for those defenders, you can see it.
France are behind. Samuel Umtiti. Griezmann. Giroud. And he could get away here. He's blocked the shot well. Bustos. Olivier Giroud. Clever ball. What a chance for Griezmann. Normally calm enough in these circumstances, but not at this big moment.
Yeah, you would normally see him tuck that away, no problem.
Clever thought with the pass. Well, this is certainly going to be within their range now that the free kick has been given. Sliding in and taking his part in the game into a dangerous territory, really.
Well, he's dived in. It's a reckless one. Oh, Griezmann, Martin. What's going to happen here?
That'll be 2 added minutes. It's gone behind for a France corner. In from Antoine Griezmann. Varane! Off the post! And cleared away by Messi. Well, what a contest. In the first period of... It is extra time now, and the second period of it. Acuna. Lost the ball. Can really get at the opposition here. And the referee lets them... The referee's not going to like that one. Well, that's late. He's going to have to get booked for that, I'm sure.
Yeah, silly challenge. And, you know, if he ends up getting sent off, he's only got himself to blame.
Rash, Alan? Reckless?
Yeah, I think so. And it was a poor tackle. It was badly timed. Is he going to be an in-swinger or an out-swinger? He can deliver these with both feet.
Kovac. Not really away from the threat here. The shot's on! Giroud! Lionel Messi. 8 minutes left in the second half of extra time. Couldn't keep it. Lamar. Can go in from here, put into the middle. They've soaked up a lot of danger here, but it hasn't hurt them, and now they're on the ball. Now the shot! Well, they've got the corner. Possibilities here for this equalising goal. Griezmann's corner. And shoots! They're running out of time. It's a corner to come. Corner's taken. Cleared away by the defender. Corner again. Swung in from the corner. Only partially cleared, so there's still some problems for them. He's got his shot off now. Everybody will be up for the corner for the equalising chance. Taken by Griezmann. It comes out off the goalkeeper. And Argentina have got the victory in this match. Good result to go with a good afternoon's work, really, because it wasn't for league points or cup progress, but it was to get them right for those challenges ahead.
And they did look ready. They looked like a team that knew what they were doing out there today.